We're living and working in unprecedented times. The COVID-19 virus may have sequestered us to our homes, putting a chokehold on nearly every aspect of our lives, but things have not ground to a halt. The world continues to turn, and we must move with it, albeit in very different ways. It all starts with a simple goal, a will to change. A desire to transform, as the pandemic will actually leave many organisations and attitudes forever changed. Transform the business model and bring strategies to life. Transform with digital, as digital is becoming more important than ever. Key technologies, AI and analytics, cloud and edge computing, cybersecurity, 5G, IoT, and data engineering are converging at speed. We help you overcome the challenges you currently face and support you with preparation for the future. With pragmatic guidance on how organisations need to take action on the things that matter in the wake of COVID-19. Unprecedented times call for unprecedented measures. Let's join forces and go forward together.